What is up, YouTube? Redrix here, and this is a special day because I bought myself an early Christmas gift. And by the way, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year, almost. We are reaching the end of 2019, but let's get on with this video. So just 2 days ago, I purchased the Razer Panthera Marvel vs. Capcom edition. And it's an arcade stick, so I can, use it for Tekken and other fighting games. And here it is. Ugh. Woo, look at this beauty. It's big, bro. It's like it's like heavy. I was like, it's just the filling and so on when I got the package. But it came in like with it. Oh my god, I don't know how to express myself. So what I'm going to do, this won't be just an unboxing, but I'm going to review it by plugging it in and see how it feels to play with an arcade stick, especially with this one. This is my third arcade stick. I've got one for the PS2. I purchased the HORI stick, the small one. I did a video on it, and I returned it like the day after because it was not comfortable playing on that small HORI arcade stick. But let's unbox this bad boy. Alright, so here you see the front of it. Looks pretty nice. Compatible for the PS4 and PS3. Razer. And here you see some descriptions in the back. Marvel vs. Capcom Infinite Edition. Yeah, alright, let's just open it. To be honest, I haven't been this excited opening something gaming related. The last time I did a huge unboxing was my PC right here, which I purchased back in early August of this year. Let's just put it there. Ooh. Ooh. Oh yeah, and here we have the Razer logo. Quite nice. Alright, let's open it up. Oh, you guys, you have to see this. Oh. Ooh. Oh. Welcome to the cult of Razer. Look at this. I thought actually it was going to be like a mechanical keyboard sound, but I mean, this does the job as well. Caution. Oh. Be careful, your fingers might get caught in it. There you go. And here you can open up the box. So if you want to make some custom mods on your buttons in the future, you can do that. There's the touchpad for games that needs to use the touchpad. You can use it here for the PS4 and PS3. And then afterwards you can actually lock it. You have your L3 and R3 button here, your standard 8 buttons here, the stick. Oh yeah, and here at the back there's this rubber button here, so it won't slide when you game. It's actually pretty comfortable having it here on your thighs. Yeah. Oh, here you have the share and start button on the sides. Alright, let's plug this in and let's have it a go. Alright, so now you're watching the video this angle, because this is my overlay, what I use mostly when I stream. So if you want to see me stream in the future on Twitch, the link is in the description box down below. And hopefully we can play some matches if you play Tekken or even Apex. just follow me on Twitch and let's have some fun. Enough about that. Let's try this one out. See if I can do my regular combos. So what I like about this, when you do a full 360, you can actually do it fast enough without her jumping. Like, let's see if I use my controller and I'll try to do the 360. It's not fast enough. Instead of when I just use my arcade stick, it doesn't jump. So far so good. I love the feeling. This is quite nice. I'm actually excited to see how this one goes when I play on online matches. Whoops. Yeah, I still have to get used to the fact that I'm using an arcade stick. Oh, I wanted to do the sidestep. Oh, there we go. Ah! And it's so darn comfortable. Let me switch over to the next camera. Alright, back to this camera. To be honest, this feels so comfortable. I am like super duper comfortable playing on this arcade stick here on my lap. You're not able to see that right here, but I mean, it does the job well. Compared to the HORI stick I did a few months back, it was not comfortable. It was too small and I couldn't do my combos very well, especially for a game like Tekken, which is very hard and complicated when you are just starting out. For me, I've been playing Tekken since Tekken 2, and I'm not like a high level skilled player, but I know how to do stuff in the game. So I love the feeling to this arcade stick. It takes me back when I was a kid, going to the arcades. Takes me back. And I can do my combos very well. I was imagining that it would be harder. It's still a new thing that I have to adapt to because I'm usually used to play with pads. But playing with an arcade stick, it's a whole new world, a new experience, and I'm looking forward to see how this one goes, especially when I use this on my next Tekken stream. So remember to follow me on Twitch if you want to see some gaming streams in the future. I also do Apex, I do single player games, maybe even horror games. So I would give this a 9 out of 10. The last one, the big no-no was, as soon as I sat down to play, I bumped the wire already here in the drawer. I need something to protect this right here, because as soon as you bump the wire too much, it will break. So that's the last piece that would have been like a round 10 out of 10. So yeah, I hope you guys liked today's video, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace!